So the United States is number one in terms of warmongering. And generally people who are sitting in the White House are war criminals. They engage in activities that and at the same time talking about human rights, which is an irony. Because when you are the number one killer of people, you cannot, you do not have the right to say anything about human rights because of the past history and the activities that they engaged in. You know, they have this terminology, they call it coercive diplomacy. Coercive diplomacy is that we dictate things to you, and if you don't accept what we tell you, we are going to use all different methods of war, whether it's hot war, whether it's economic war, whether it's information and propaganda war. We are going to, it's a hybrid war, using different components of different methods and tactics to achieve whatever goals that we have.